Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're having a good one so far. Today we are going to be going through a quick tutorial on how you can use the new online dues payment portal we've set up for you. First things first, on the Local 87 website here, you'll visit teamsterslocal87.org on your computer, cell phone, any device, tablet, you name it. You'll get to this pay dues button here. Click that. You'll then be taken to the Local 87 dues payment page here. At that point, you will go in and enter any amount that you wish to enter for the dues that are owed. We'll go $40 here for the sake of drill. I'm signed in as an admin currently, so it's pulling my information. When you come here, first time it will be a blank form. If you wish to create a profile to save payment information to make things easier, you can do that after payment is made. So once you've entered all of your information into here, in this case me, go here. Last four of SSN for ID confirmation, cell phone number, enter your card here. This is a fake number we use for testing. Just for the sake of drill there. All right. We'll go CPC 123 119. Once you've entered all that information here, you'll press pay dues. At that point, you'll receive a receipt via email right away. And that is that.